好，新年快樂！大家停咗課啦，咁對你嚟講就係放假啦吓，咁啊，我哋都繼續咧係學下英文啦。好，我哋延續翻上次落去咧 past perfect。咁我哋之前咧講過 past perfect 咧係主要係強調咧係兩個動詞兩個動作，一個係先啲，一個後啲。咁譬如係 Before Simon slept, he had finished his homework. Simon 瞓覺之前，佢已經做咗功課啦。呢個係 action one， 呢個係 action two。Example two. After Sue had closed the window, she started to play with her smartphone. Sue 閂咗窗之後呢，佢開始玩佢嘅手機啦。Had closed the window 係 action one， started to play 個 smartphone 係 action two。好，咁我恐防你唔記得啦，咁我哋睇一睇呢。呢兩個先啲嘅動作 action one 呢，我哋都係用咗 past perfect tense。咁 past perfect tense 係點㗎？咁啊重溫翻啦，記唔記得係 had 再加 past participle？ 記唔得咩係 past participle 啊？係過去分詞冇錯啦，係 verb table 嘅第幾行啊？第3行，譬如 go、went、gone 嗰個 gone 咁樣樣。好，咁跟住落嚟呢，我哋會睇 past perfect tense 嘅第二個用法啦。咁我第二個用法呢，就係 to show regret， 去表達呢我個一個後悔嘅。咁我哋會配合埋 if only 或者 I wish 嘅。if only 點解啊？如果只是係咪？咁當然係錯啦，係但願啊。if only 都要解但願 I wish 我希望。咁如果要表達呢一個嘅後悔呢，佢會配合埋 past perfect tense。我哋要睇一睇例子。Number one, I wish I had worked hard。我希望呢，我嗰陣時有努力啦嚇。咁佢呢度係解我嗰陣時有努力，但係最尾其實佢有冇呢？佢嗰陣時係冇㗎。It means I did not work hard. Number two, I wish the visitor had not come。我即係希望呢，嗰個參觀者係冇嚟到㗎。咁但係其實呢，咁亦都係表示咗 the visitor came。Number three, if only the boy had crossed the road carefully。但願嗰個男仔呢係有好小心咁過馬路啦。咁其實佢有冇呢？梗係冇啦。The boy did not cross the road carefully. Number four, if only there had not been a car accident。但願呢嗰陣時係冇一個交通意外嘅。There was a car accident。咁即係嗰陣時係有發生咗，咁佢希望係冇。好，咁講到嚟呢度呢，當然就係重點啦。咁我哋梗係要做翻啲練習啦。你哋放咁耐假期係咪先？咁都唔好躲懶啊嘛。咁我哋會做 Grammar Book page 103 to 104。Okay, just like what we do in lessons. Okay, let's look at the example. Practice 9. Rewrite the sentences with wish or if only. Okay, that's easy. Number one, if only my mother had passed the exam. Sorry, my brother. Okay, I just change if only to I wish. I wish my brother had passed the exam. Number two, I wish I had chosen the correct options. Okay, now this time I change it to if only. If only I had chosen the correct options. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay, so let's go to the next page. Practice 10, page 104. Make sentences with the words in brackets. Number one, example. The war ended in 1940. If only. So first we have to see the verb. 揾返個動詞先 end. Okay, so the answer. If only the war, I changed end to had ended. Had plus past participle. Had ended in 1940. Number two, I not buy the jackets. I wish. Okay, the verb is not buy. So the answer is I wish. Okay, not buy. Past perfect tense, had not buy bought, had not bought the jacket. So that's easy. Just pay attention to the verb. You have to change the verb to past perfect tense. Not for, okay, not forget. Take care, take. Not eat, tell. Okay, remember to change it to past perfect tense. Okay, and then page 104, practice 10, practice 11. Read the situations and make sentences with the correct phrases in the box. So when we do this, first we look at the examples. 我哋點都睇一睇唔係 examples. Look at the choices 嚇，睇一睇個選擇先。I wish I not miss the bus. Miss 錯過個巴士。I wish my computer not break down. 電腦冇壞到。I wish we have more practice. Practice, what is that? 練習, that's right. If only the factory not closed down. What is factory? Yes, 工廠。If only the firefighters arrived 10 minutes earlier. 早10分鐘會嚟咗 arrive. Firefighter 係消防員 that's right. If only the plane not crash. Not crash 係冇撞到啊，冇撞機啊 plane 飛機。If only the workers repair the gates. Repair 係修理 the gates 係個閘。咁咧為咗方便咧，咁我首先都會揀翻啲動詞先啦。Not miss, not break down, have 呢個係 not close down, arrive. This one is not crash. And then the last one, repair. Okay, let's look at the examples. Number 1, it was raining heavily. Okay, here, I wish I had stayed at home. Number 2, no one on the plane survived. What is survived? It means stayed alive. It means did not die. Okay, survived means 生存, that's right. So, plane. So, the answer is the plane. So, if only the plane had not crashed. Again, please pay attention to the verb. I've changed it to not crash to had not crashed. Okay, so your homework is grammar book, page 103 to 104. We will have more tomorrow. Enjoy!